Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a Spastic Pops Mystery Box. And this one is, try pulling up a picture of it, but I don't have one. So it is the not Star Wars. So it is the, I'm going to kind of show you a picture of it. It's that one there. So it's got the two devils from Cuphead, Freddy Funko or Freddy Funko Hulk Hogan. The one that everyone's after. So that is the mystery box. This is my second mystery box unboxing video. Spastic Pops on this one. Let's see if we got anything cool. So from videos I've seen already online, it looks like most people are getting 4 pops. So for me to find, and I've seen everybody, by the way, everyone that I've seen so far has also either hit their value or increased their value. So the chances of me hitting the value should be pretty good. So we shall see. Hopefully. All I'm doing right now is I'm pulling up Pop Price Guide, so I can give you guys current value after each pull, because I like to do that. That's how I want to run my mystery boxes. Alright. I was starting to freeze up a little bit. So, alright guys, here we go. Unfortunately, these do not come in stacks. So, I'm going to have to just keep them on the side. And they come wrapped. Okay, so from what I'm feeling here, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be feeling for. Okay. There feels like one's in a pop protector. Okay, so that one is in a plastic pop protector. Okay, so one's in a pop protector, the other ones are not. So just based on filling the box. Okay, so the first one is Sean Ryan, I feel you. The good thing is my daughter collects BTS, so BTS is going to Sophia Rose. I don't even know if she has that one already. But gin and tonic. I just need the tonic. Here's gin. Where's the tonic at? So gin is worth 13 bucks. Big 1-3. So I don't collect them, but my daughter does. And if she already has gin, which I don't know if she does or not, her friends also collect them. So that's going to a good home. Alright. Next one. I just picked this one up. Literally picked this one up. That's awesome though. I'm glad to have a second one. Gabby with Forky. I just picked this one up literally a couple days ago. Pretty cool grab. Her price isn't going to be really fair per se because it's so new. So it really just depends. So I don't really count. It's gonna 14 bucks, so $14. So I'm gonna move the one that's in a pop protector. It's not a hard stack. So the next one we have is Ty Webb. I already have this one as well. So not too impressed on the 3 whatsoever. That doesn't mean the one that's in a stack is not going to... Sorry, it's not in a stack. The one that's in a protector is not going to be worth much. So this is $7. Okay? And I already have Ty Webb because I collect the whole Caddyshack. So again, like I said before, let the camera get refocused. Like I said before, 13 plus 14 plus 7. So we're at $34. And they're guaranteeing I believe the box was 70 or 75. So the box was 70, so they're guaranteeing a $70 value. I only hit 35 so far out of 70. I know, I'm keeping you guys in suspense, but that's okay. And myself too. 70 minus 34, so this has got to be a $36 pop, so not so bad. I don't know which way is front or back. So here we go, the last pop of the day. It's going to be Star Wars Celebration. Please tell me that's a blue one. Please tell me. I'm not looking at the screen, I'm seeing the back of it. Please tell me it's a blue Stormtrooper. What? 2,500 piece limited edition blue chrome Stormtrooper. Are you kidding me? What? This is badass. I'm like looking at it and I'm like, please, 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 please be a blue one. Don't be a gold one. And it was blue. I didn't see what color it was. All I saw was, that's what I was staring at when I was telling you that. Guys, we got a blue chrome Stormtrooper. Okay. Just so you know, as of right now, Darth Vader's worth 135, Boba Fett's worth 110, Leia's worth 55, and the Stormtrooper's worth 55. So, Yoda's worth 55 as well. Chewbacca's worth 55. Everyone can agree, I know it's a Star Wars pop, but these blue chrome ones, 2,500 piece limited edition, these are all going to be worth easily up past $200 because of the limited edition. And you already have Boba Fett and Darth Vader already up there. They're already at 135 and 110. So $55. So that puts me at, I can do the quick math, 55 plus 34 is 89 bucks. That is not a bad deal, guys. So this is the big win. Wow. Yep. Pretty happy I got them. It's not the Grails, but this is definitely a pop. That's pretty darn awesome. Heck yeah. This is really cool. Awesome. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Definitely think it was a cool box. I wish these were in protectors, like not protectors but sorters, just so it kind of makes it a little bit easier. But that's okay though. Thanks, guys. This is awesome. I'm so stoked on this one. 25 piece limited edition Stormtrooper. Wow. This is going up in value. This is coming out of this, and I'm putting this bad boy in a hard stack to keep them protected. So thanks, guys, for watching. Please be kind to one another. Hope you liked the video. And to all the ones out there that are still looking for, I'm not sure who got Hulk or who got the two Freddy Funko Devils, but it wasn't me. It should have been me, but it wasn't me. But I'm still happy with what I got. Thanks, guys, for watching. Take care. Please be kind to one another, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.